first time to UAE. I think the only time I have been in UAE was for a connecting flight, and I've heard so much. I've heard so much about Abu Dhabi. I've heard so much about Dubai. I've heard so much about the kind of culture we have here. So I'm very excited to meet people from UAE and see the kind of energy they have. And please bring it on for all the events. Utsavam, main IFI event and rocks. I want to see how loud you guys can cheer.
Is there a place that you want to go to in UAE you have in mind?
I don't. Please give me suggestions. Like I really want to explore the place, and of course I know the Ferrari circuit and the highest and the most fast roller coaster and Burj Khalifa. Of course, ये सब तो चीजें हैं. But I want to do something unorthodox. So if you guys can suggest me some unorthodox things, why not, please?
What is
And
the
food.
unorthodox thing you're doing at the IFA Rocks?
I am getting to watch SRK up close, ma'am, and that too without paying a ticket. That's really unorthodox. I think I'm very happy and I'm very glad that we Indian industry is celebrating cinema for the first time in such a grand way.
You've got the north and the south. It's like a combination, a
Yes,
convergence of
yes,
the entire industry coming together on the
yes,
same platform.
yes,
So
yes,
it's never happened
yes.
in India. It's happening on the global stage.
Yes.
We have to say about that.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's high time. I think it's high time that we make it one industry. I think there's a lot of discrimination, and whenever I see the fans are always talking about, oh, the South is doing better, the North is doing better, whatever, Bollywood. I feel that India is doing better, and as a whole, that I think the cinema industry in India is growing. We are going to come up with many magnum opus films, and probably take on the global cinema chains, and probably make a lot of money and get a lot of appreciation and get a lot of love from an audience across the world. Yeah.
What that badge that Savas gave, what that badge mean to you?
Huh?
You want to
No, I didn't. I mean, I don't have the badge. I'll take it from them.
tell me about that. What is that one thing that make a difference when you talk and spoke about?
I think I love the whole concept of green carpet. I think it's very important. I mean, the kind of temperatures we are dealing with these days. I think it's high time that we all understand the value of nature and how we have corrupted it a lot. So yeah.
Giving a tip on hosting.
I think the day he touched me, I think I got a lot of tips about life.